Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, artificial intelligence and ethics. Specifically, we're going to discuss whether there are any limits to AI. You might be surprised to learn that there are actually no inherent limits to AI. However, there are some ethical considerations that need to be taken into account. For instance, we need to ensure that AI is used for the greater good and not for harmful purposes. It's crucial that we, as developers and users of AI, are aware of these ethical considerations. We must strive to create AI that benefits society and doesn't cause harm. Artificial intelligence and ethics. Are there limits for AI? Artificial intelligence AI is transforming industries, enhancing productivity, and revolutionizing how we interact with technology. From healthcare and education to autonomous vehicles and creative arts, AI's applications seem boundless. However, as its capabilities grow, so do the ethical concerns surrounding its use. This raises a critical question. Are there, or should there be, limits for AI? The power and promise of AI has shown remarkable potential in solving complex problems. Machine learning algorithms can analyze massive datasets to uncover insights that were previously impossible for humans to identify. In healthcare, AI is being used to detect diseases earlier and design personalized treatments. Autonomous vehicles promise to reduce traffic accidents caused by human error. In creative industries, AI tools generate art, music, and even literature, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Despite these advancements, the very power of AI demands careful consideration of its ethical implications. Key ethical concerns in AI: 1. Bias and discrimination as systems learn from data, and if the data is biased, the AI will replicate and even amplify those biases. For example, facial recognition technologies have been shown to have higher error rates for certain demographics, raising concerns about fairness and discrimination. 2. Privacy and surveillance. AI-driven technologies often require access to vast amounts of personal data. While this can improve services, it also poses risks to privacy. Governments and corporations can misuse AI for mass surveillance, potentially infringing on individual freedoms. 3. Job displacement. Automation powered by AI threatens to displace millions of jobs. While new jobs may be created in the AI-driven economy, the transition could exacerbate economic inequality and leave many workers without adequate opportunities. 4. Autonomy and accountability. As AI systems become more autonomous, determining accountability becomes more complex. If an AI-driven car causes an accident or a predictive policing algorithm unfairly targets certain individuals, who is responsible? The developer, the user, or the AI itself? 5. Existential risks. Advanced AI systems, especially those designed with general intelligence, could behave unpredictably or pursue objectives misaligned with human values. Some experts, including prominent technologists and philosophers, warn of scenarios where AI could pose existential threats to humanity. Ethical frameworks and regulation to address these concerns, policymakers, ethicists, and technologists are exploring frameworks to guide AI development and deployment. Some of the approaches include transparency, requiring AI systems to be explainable and their decision-making processes understandable. Accountability, ensuring developers and organizations are held responsible for the impacts of their AI systems. Equity, designing systems that are fair and inclusive, avoiding biases in data and algorithms. Human oversight, keeping humans in the loop, especially for high-stakes decisions. Several countries and organizations have begun implementing AI-specific regulations. For instance, the European Union's AI Act aims to establish rules based on the level of risk posed by different AI applications. Meanwhile, industry leaders like OpenAI and Google have proposed internal guidelines for ethical AI development. The case for limits. While regulation can mitigate risks, some argue that certain uses of AI should be off-limits altogether. For example, autonomous weapons. Many advocate for a global ban on AI-powered weapons that can make life and death decisions without human intervention. Deepfakes and disinformation. The misuse of AI to create convincing fake content poses significant threats to democracy and trust in institutions. Manipulative AI systems designed to exploit psychological vulnerabilities, such as addictive algorithms in social media, raise concerns about mental health and autonomy. Striking the balance challenge lies in balancing innovation with ethical responsibility. Unnecessary restrictions could stifle progress, while insufficient oversight could lead to harmful consequences. A collaborative approach involving governments, industries, and civil society is essential to navigate this balance. Conclusion: AI is a powerful tool that holds immense promise but also presents significant ethical challenges. Setting appropriate limits through thoughtful regulation, ethical guidelines, and societal consensus is crucial to ensuring that AI serves humanity's best interests. By addressing these issues proactively, we can harness the benefits of AI while minimizing its risks, paving the way for a future where technology and ethics coexist harmoniously. Thank you for joining us in this thought-provoking discussion. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.